Today we're going to rethink California walnuts and explore unexpected ways to use them as a delicious meat alternative. Being the only tree nut with a significant source of plant-based omega-3s, California walnuts are a key ingredient in creating plant-forward meals that deliver on taste, texture, and nutrition. We're going to make walnut meat two ways. First, a walnut meat crumble in a taco, and then a power pack patty for a burger. Simply combine 2 parts walnuts to 1 part beans in a food processor. Pulse to a crumbled texture until fully incorporated. Here we're using black beans for a darker meat-like color. Divide the mixture in half for the 2 applications. We'll start by making a walnut taco meat. Add your favorite seasonings to the walnut and bean mixture. I'm creating a chorizo-inspired seasoning blend with chipotle, cumin, coriander, paprika, oil, salt, and pepper. Transfer the walnut meat to a skillet and cook on medium-low heat. Once the walnut meat is nicely browned with a meaty texture, remove from the stove and prepare to build the tacos. We're finishing these tacos with shredded lettuce, pico de gallo, and radishes. Another application for walnut meat is for a hearty plant-based burger. We'll take the original uncooked walnut meat mixture and combine it with cooked quinoa, apple cider vinegar, ground chia seeds, spices, panko breadcrumbs, and eggs. With wet hands, take a handful of the mixture and shape into 4-ounce patties. As an added touch, I like to coat the patties with some ground walnut meal to give more texture before cooking. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a little oil. Cook the patties for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Now we're ready to build the California Walnut Omega Burger. Finish with your favorite toppings. These are just a couple of examples of how to rethink California walnuts in your food service recipes. For more, visit walnuts.org.